So if there's a video playback that is stuttering and it's not working correctly, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with this specific process. So sometimes the Windows, it actually didn't work correctly. Sometimes a YouTube video, a local video file, faster constant lag, dropping frames, and you know what, you wanted to see which is the actual main reason to solve this element. The first thing, for example, is to check and toggle the hardware acceleration inside the web browser if you're experiencing stuttering into YouTube, Netflix, or the web streaming. Sometimes if you are using a in this case, for example, Google Chrome or Edge or Brave, you want to go for the three dots into the vertical dots of the menu icon into the top right corner and select the elements down here where it says settings. Inside here, I wanted to go at the top of the setting page, type hardware acceleration like this into my search bar. Let's go for hardware. My graphic acceleration, look for the labeled. If you have this available, you want to turn and toggle it off, because try turning it on. You gotta go off and on, and then relaunch the button to start the browser to test your video. Toggling these settings change whether your browser uses the main processor or the graphic card to decode the video. Now, if this one is still lagging, the next step is to press Windows X into your keyboard and select the element that says Device Manager. From the power uses, I'm going to go into my display adapters that usually appears directly inside here. And you want to look out for, sometimes it appears as Intel, sometimes it appears as AMD or Nvidia. And you want to go to the element that says update the actual driver. So choose search automatically for drivers to let Windows install any official patches that you need, of course, to solve inside them. Then you can try to reload your computer and try it once again. If this one still doesn't work, you want to ensure your monitor display refresh rate matches your hardware capabilities inside the Windows settings. For this, let's go directly into the Windows settings, and inside here I want to look out for the element that says display. To find the actual display, usually appears into the system display. Inside here, I want to scroll down and click into the advanced display that usually appears directly inside here, and locate the drop down menu label, choose a refresh rate. And here you want to choose, usually what I do is to go for 60 Hz to make this even work and smooth a little bit much more. I know usually everybody wants to have like the best refresh rate, but I strongly suggest you to choose something much more easier unless you are using an actual external display adapter. So another step is to make sure that you adjust the Windows power mode to ensure the PC is supplying sufficient power to the graphic processor. So for example, into my settings, once we are directly inside here, I'm going to go back into system and go for power and battery. So locate the power mode that you can click directly inside here, drop down this, and look out for the profile that says best power efficiency that usually appears directly inside here. And those are just like a common ways. The next solution, for example, that you can be focusing on is to make sure that you can switch to a lightweight dedicated media player like the VLC media player to download the VLC that can help us to watch a lot of the content totally for free, and is totally for free if you want to get started checking that out. So if you have another solution, if there's something else that you figured out, you can let us know, guys, into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We want to see more great tools like this. Thank you for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.